The Anyfree Hello, an AI-powered smart home security doorbell. Quite a mouthful. In this video I'll tell you more about this product, which looks quite different from its competitors and on paper boasts a ton of features. From an integrated solar panel to a range of 1 kilometer, night vision, a 1080p HD camera, and yes, even your doorbell hasn't escaped it, this one has AI too. Inside the box you'll find the base station that connects to the doorbell, several mounting brackets to adjust the angle for a better viewing, screws and even a screwdriver. There is also 3M tape if you prefer to stick the doorbell rather than screw it in, a manual and, of course, the doorbell. This isn't your everyday video doorbell. To ring it, you have to pull a chain instead of pressing on a button like on the Nest, for example. This is a significant difference, but luckily it feels very sturdy. According to Anyfree, the chain can handle up to 14 kilograms of force, which is impressive. They also claim it can withstand over 100,000 pulls, which is equally impressive. The doorbell operates in temperatures ranging from -40 to +70 degrees Celsius. The camera is a wide-angle 1080p HD camera and in the dark it uses infrared. It also features a millimeter wave sensor to detect movement near your door, which can distinguish whether a person is at the door or not. And this helps to avoid false alarms, a common issue with other video doorbells. Thanks to the sensor, you don't need to set specific zones for motion detection, which improves the ease of use. The doorbell includes a built-in solar panel, ensuring the battery lasts at least 3 months without recharging. Video can be stored locally or in the cloud. However, there is no support for HomeKit or HomeKit secured video, which is a pity. The installation process is straightforward. First, charge the doorbell via the USB-C port on the back, download the Anyfree app, and once the doorbell is charged, turn it on. Next, plug in the base station and the two will pair automatically. You can connect the doorbell via a QR code or Bluetooth and complete the setup. Once that's done, install it outside so it can scan its surroundings and properly detect people near your driveway. Recently, the company released an update to reduce power consumption, fix software bugs and introduce a feature called AI Butler. Yes, more AI. But it does add some neat features. The camera now can identify potential threats to your home, recognize objects more accurately, like packages or even weapons, and provide you with a daily report from the AI Butler. Useful, maybe not, but it's nice to have. The app is quite extensive. It has 4 tabs. Home, where you can view recent movements and access a live feed. Report, which gives you detailed information about the battery status and even the connection speed between the doorbell and the base station. It also shows the number of rings, missed calls and any recorded messages. AI and Cloud, where you can activate the AI Butler and soon purchase additional subscriptions to store your videos longer in the cloud or to unlock extra features. And the last tab is Family, where you can manage your account details, see some more information and access facts. In the Home tab you can adjust the doorbell settings and there are quite a few of them. And here in this box you have settings. And the first tab is screen and sound. You have the indoor ringtone, which you can adjust to ding dong, buzz and bird chirping. You can put the volume. You have the outdoor ringtones, also the same, but you can add a customized ringtone. You can speak in something for yourself or music or whatever you want. And also the volume. You have the outdoor microphone volume. The ringing duration is now at 15 seconds and the night vision is now at auto. You can put it always on, always off, or auto. Here you can also record your customized ringtone. You can look at the AR effects. So if you do this before the camera, you will see that on your screen. There are different things you can do with it. It's a nice gimmick, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. You can invite members so that the persons in your house can also access the video doorbell. The notifications, you can leave the notifications on forever. I think it needs to be always, but okay, 24/7. Or you can activate a customized period. For example, do not disturb me at night. You have a destruction alarm. It sounds very heavy, but it means when somebody tries to steal your doorbell, it will notify you and it will loud an alarm and you can put the sensitivity on regular, medium or high. You have the human movement detection, so the millimeter wave will detect if there is movement by a person. And here you can let the AI decide the range, or you can do it manual. The detection settings, at this moment it only records without notification, but you can also have a notification from the moment that the doorbell sees somebody, or a notification if somebody stands still in front of your door. You can do the microwave scanning again, but you only need to do that once. If you place your doorbell and it keeps there, it's okay. The video mail record setting, you can adjust the time for the video mail, so if somebody is in front of the door and you're not at home, they can record the message for you. You can see the battery status here. You see 96% remaining, and also the usage of that battery. Some more information about Wi-Fi Halo. This is the connection between the base station and the camera, and it works very well. And here you can check the storage. I do not have a micro SD card in the base station, but here you can also see the cloud storage plan. It's still active for 89 days. The device info, you will get info about the device and the device numbers. The firmware version, it's the latest version, it updates automatically. And as last, the doorbell server. If your doorbell is acting slow, then you can try to change the server and you can delete the device. What stood out immediately was how fast the app responded when the bell was pulled. With our Nest doorbell, this can take up to 10 seconds, which is annoying, especially with rush delivery drivers. Thanks to the base station, which also supports microSD storage, the connection is very stable. While Anyfree advertises a range of 1 kilometer, and that's likely overkill in most cases, I experienced no connection issues during testing. Since the doorbell doesn't connect directly to your Wi-Fi modem, but communicates directly via the base station and only with the base station, the connection and the video quality are very good. This doorbell is packed with features and has a design some people will love, while others might not. It's a matter of taste. With so many features, you'd expect a premium price. But at just under 120 euros, it's surprisingly affordable. It's available in silver or gold from the Anyfree's website. Before this video I hadn't heard of Anyfree, and the lack of the brand's recognition might be a concern for some. On the other hand, if you're looking for a doorbell that stands out, this one is worth checking out. During testing it performed smoothly, with better video and speed than the Nest Hello doorbell. The only reason why the Nest is still at our front door is the Nest display in our house that shows who's at the door. What do you think of this doorbell? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.